Welcome to this introduction to pneumatics case, a virtual and augmented reality learning environment designed to enhance technical education. At TalTech, as part of the Merit project, we are exploring innovative digital learning tools. While still under development, Pneumatic Case demonstrates how virtual labs can support hands-on learning in fields like pneumatics, electronics, and mechanics. This video offers a glimpse into how students can visualize, build, and test systems in an interactive 3D space. Let's take a closer look at its potential.
Introducing Pneumatics Case, an innovative augmented reality solution built on a modular framework designed to transform technical education across multiple disciplines. While initially developed for pneumatics, our modular architecture creates a versatile foundation that can be readily adopted for electronics, mechanics, hydraulics, and various other technical fields. The underlying simulation principles remain consistent across domains, whether you are working with air pressure, electrical currents, or mechanical forces. With our headset-based application, students visualize, build, and test systems in a fully interactive 3D environment. Our cross-platform web application works on any WebXR-compatible device. The power of our solution lies in its cloud-based digital twin technology. This core feature delivers real-time simulation with exceptional accuracy across any discipline. Every modification to your system is instantly reflected in the AR environment, allowing students to immediately observe cause and effect relationships. For educators, our platform offers unparalleled flexibility, create custom exercises tailored to any technical field, from simple pneumatic mechanisms to complex electronic circuits or intricate mechanical assemblies. The system's symbolic representations make it easier for newcomers to grasp fundamental principles that often transfer between disciplines. Pneumatics Case, a modular approach to immersive technical education, adaptable, scalable, and ready for tomorrow's challenges.
As digital education evolves, virtual labs like Pneumatics Case represents a powerful step forward, allowing students to experiment, learn, and refine technical skills in an immersive digital space. At TalTech, we are developing and testing this environment to explore its future possibilities within technical education. While it's not yet widely available, this showcase highlights how virtual labs could complement or even replace traditional training when physical labs are limited. One of the key advantages of Pneumatics Case is that it enables lab sharing between universities. By leveraging cloud-based simulation and cross-platform accessibility, institutions can collaborate more effectively, giving students from different locations access to the same high-quality technical training. This approach expands learning opportunities and fosters international cooperation in technical education. By integrating virtual and augmented reality into learning, we are opening up new ways to engage with complex engineering concepts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing our work on this exciting development.